Good morning. We made it to the Windjammer. We debated going to the main dining room, but kind of was looking for a more casual breakfast. So just headed over to the gluten-free station where I got eggs, bacon, and sausage. And then I also picked up some watermelon. When we took our Carnival cruise in November, I really liked having watermelon on that cruise, so I was happy to see that available here as well.
Oh, and you got excited about or tricked into French toast.
Well, I was in the gluten-free area, and the guy that was behind the counter asked very excitedly if I wanted French toast, and I almost just said no, and then I asked, "Oh, is it gluten-free?" And he goes, "Oh, no."
I went ahead and got the French toast, but also got, if you guys haven't tried these hash browns, they're amazing. So highly recommend that. I've tried this avocado toast that others have recommended. So excited about this hearty breakfast. Well, guys, we picked up coffee after the Windjammer, and we're standing in line, and the guy in front of us was like, "Yeah, I want Bailey's coffee." And we're like, Claire and I looked at each other like, "Oh, that sounds good." So we ended up ordering ours too, and it's very good. It's very good. So it was just funny because I was third in line, and the person helping was like, "So you want Bailey's coffee too?" without even saying anything. So it was pretty funny. That was another failed crossword. And the funny thing is, it was the same one as Allure of the Seas.
Yeah, but I still didn't do that well. There was ones that I remembered, but...
Oh my gosh, so if you guys need the answers, they're right there. I'll write them down.
Just in case, they reused it in August.
Yeah, so we'll be back in August. Now we got the answer sheet for that next trivia. What is it?
Morning trivia. General knowledge.
So it's just random?
Hopefully not as random as it was yesterday.
We did terrible at that one too. Ashley, where are you at?
I know we need you. We're not allowed to cruise without you.
Good morning, good morning.
Wanting to play shuffleboard, at least I have for a while.
Yeah, mainly
Found it.
Michael.
Huh?
Mainly Michael.
It was either this or mini golf. This was closer.
We'll probably do both.
It's not too bad out here. There's a little bit of breeze. So we've actually never played before. Here we go. Already broke her deal.
It's rusted.
The ball fell off. I haven't even started yet. What audience? There's like 2 people here.
I've never done this before. Should we
go
like this?
I don't know.
Like lead up to it?
I don't think so.
Oh, that was bad.
Okay.
Can I have a mulligan?
Okay, let's practice. We'll get it. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but
No,
we'll
it's
see.
supposed to go to the other side. Needs to be harder. Okay.
Here's a mulligan. I don't think that exists. Oh, wow.
You have to push it like really hard.
All right, my turn.
Oh gosh.
Well,
You can
that
have a
was
mulligan.
difficult because I was holding the
I
camera.
had a mulligan. You can have a mulligan.
So what do we do? Here's the rules.
At all positive pucks, all pucks touching white lines is 0. So yeah, it has to be all the way inside
Okay.
the box.
So you got 1. Basically,
I got 7.
here's everything. So I 7, and I got. Oh no, I hit yours way over there. So I got nothing. So I guess you won that round.
Yeah, 7-0.
What? We confirming?
Well, it was just 6 turns. Wow, that's gonna take a while.
All right. So we start over again.
Yep,
On the other side.
on this side.
All right. 2. Here we go. Claire's up first again.
Oh.
Slippery when wet area. That's 1 between both of us, and I got in the 7 this time. So does that mean we're tied
It's
now?
tied now.
Ooh, yes. How many more do we have to do?
What?
How many more?
This will be our 3rd. So then we'll go over there, 4, 5, 6.
Huh. But yeah.
If you want to play by the rules.
So it looks like we got that here. A couple of those back here. But yeah. Whoa.
As I said, has not been a good one.
That was a little too much.
Well, it's like I can't get the touchdown. It's either too much, or not enough. And then I feel like if I do it the same way 2 times in a row, it's like 2 different outcomes.
Let's see what we have. Get one over here. I got one on 8. But it's touching the line. It's touching the line. That has to mean something. Pretty sure that means something. Good. Check the rules. Any puck in the 10 off section equals -10. Unless it's touching the white line, in which case it equals 0.
That means Michael knocked mine out of the 8 and got his into the 8. And now he's winning.
So that's 15. So 8 to 15.
7
after
to
round
15.
4.
7 to 15.
7 to 15. All right, so round 5. I'm in the lead.
And I was so close to getting a 10.
Yeah, and I hit it out.
No, that was my last one.
Oh.
My last one hit like right here.
Good job, good job.
There you go.
Okay, now let's do another one. So now we're gonna
Now
do
we're
our
higher.
first step is a triangle.
We're gonna do another one.
A
Start a new one.
triangle,
Oh,
triangle.
Look at that.
And let's see who can
That's a
remember
rose.
these steps.
Oh, now you gotta
Let's
replicate it
see.
quickly.
I know people move so quickly.
can remember
Keep
the
this.
steps?
I'll keep this. This to the left.
Triangle.
Roll.
Yes. All right.
And then top.
There we go. You guys did it? So everybody say what? Good job, good job. So family, that was our
There you
Let's
go.
do a challenge. We're gonna do something that you
3, please. We're at the Promenade Cafe to get some pizza. So if you're looking for pizza that you would normally see at Sorrento's, well, here it is, Promenade Cafe. Claire ordered a gluten-free barbecue chicken. Check
Normally
that
they
out.
asked me if I want cheese or pepperoni, but they asked if I whatever I wanted, so I took advantage.
Yeah. So looks good. They made
It
her a
is
whole pizza.
Hot.
Took what? 10 minutes?
It was about 5 to 6 minutes.
So
It's
not too bad. But I mean, the line's long here. Place is pretty busy during lunchtime, but Claire got a whole pizza. Hopefully it's good. Should be. Usually is.
3 hours later.
So somehow we're going from eating pizza at Cafe Promenade to the main dining room.
Is that our last clip? We might have fallen asleep.
We did take a nap for a while.
But I am still pretty full from
Yeah, me
our
too.
lunch.
Check out these guys. It's a T. I don't know what they're spelling out here, but it's a T. That's funny. Person take a picture. Guys, this Asiago cheese roll is my favorite. Much better than some of the other rolls. They have is that sesame seed? No, not sesame.
Pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seed, I know. That one's good too. But I only like to eat the seeds.
You only eat the seeds. You don't even take the roll out of the basket. You just eat the seeds off.
The Asiago cheese, awesome. Oh, and they already brought Claire her gluten-free bread.
It was ready.
So, same spot? Oh yeah, well, because we picked the time, right?
Yeah.
So, same spot. It's real nice. So this is me start, Caesar salad. Looks like Claire got Caesar salad too.
No croutons.
No croutons, it's the only difference. Oh, we got a drink. Crown and Diet, and then, what was this? Kim Crawford
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc?
Yep.
So, easy. That came out quick. Real quick.
Yeah, that's the whole idea of the new menu is to get things moving a lot quicker. So tonight will be our first real experience since boarding day is always kind of crazy. So
Yeah.
we're interested to see what it's like.
It's fast again,
Yeah.
For the main course.
Very fast. We've only been here for 30 minutes.
and that's significantly fast compared to
previous cruises.
Yeah, we would be here for a couple of hours, which I mean, it was a nice experience, but
This
you also
is
kinda
much
wanna
better
go.
experience. But you get the gluten-free salmon,
yeah, which is just from the old classics menu. So I
Yeah.
like the salmon.
and then I got the beef tenderloin medium rare. They only prepare 2 ways: medium rare, medium well. So you guys know they don't do medium or anything like that. So, oh, you took a bite already. How is it? All right, assuming that's good.
Yes, it's good.
This looks pretty good though. There it is, Hannah's favorite, creme brulee.
I'm so excited.
She's been talking about it for a while now. And then I have the, what was this again? Cappuccino
Chocolate cake.
So, looks pretty good. How's the classic creme brulee? I guess that means
It
it's
has
good.
been missed.
Well, that's good. Yes, we just finished up dinner. Overall, pretty good. Better than last night, in my opinion, or at least what I had. You may think differently.
So I had classics that were on the old menu. I mean, everything that I had was on the old menu, which isn't a bad thing, but it didn't give me anything new either. I mean, Taste of France is kind of difficult for gluten-free, so.
I didn't even know it was France.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Mexico, though.
Yes. So tomorrow will be fun. I think I enjoyed my dinner last night more, which is odd for boarding day. Usually that's not a great meal because there's so much going on, but man, they've been doing the beef really well.
Yeah, I had the beef today and it was good. The beef tenderloin, and it was pretty good.
And I think it's helpful that they're only offering medium well or medium rare, because that kind of limits the optionality, but still gives people some kind of an option.
So talk about how quick it was. I think we were sat and done eating by like 45, 50 minutes.
Within 45 minutes, we had finished our dessert.
And okay, so that may seem like a normal time, but that's like probably half, twice. Yeah, it was. I think we're usually there like an hour and a half.
I mean, there's many nights that we had our 5:30 seating and we would miss the 8 o'clock shows.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is much better.
So people may not like the new menu just because it's a big change,
Yeah.
but
They're doing it right, in my opinion.
I don't know if there's really much of a change, but how fast they're moving now is so much better.
Yeah.
And hopefully they're able to set the second seating much quicker.
Yes. And hopefully my time is better too, because I know there's some complaints with how long my time took to get
Right.
seated. So hopefully that moves well too.
Yeah. Hopefully that's an improvement. It should be though.
I mean, I don't have any complaints. I was nervous about it, but I don't
Yeah.
have any complaints.
Yeah, we need to go to the helipad, huh?
Yeah, it's probably a nice time for that.
Yeah.
Sun just set.
You want to go up there? All right, let's go up this way. I'm gonna go find it again. It's like everyone's coming down these stairs from the helipad, so I'm gonna go check it out.
Hey.
It's windy. It is super windy. We haven't even made it to the helipad yet. It's kind of a popular spot. There's a few people up here, but it's really windy. So, who knows? Oh, look at that, front of the ship. So we're in the Royal Theater. I don't know, what are we watching again?
Broadway Rhythm and Rhyme is the whole line.
Which I'm pretty sure we've seen before,
Yes.
but we'll see. I don't remember if it was good or not. I'm sure it was fine. No?
They do a good job with this one.
Yeah, I mean, they're still pretty all
Songs
talented.
are different than the ones that we saw. Not that we do a little stronger.
This espresso martini is amazing. Super good at the scooter bar. What do you think?
They're delicious.
It's like a chugger.
I don't know what he put in them. They're really good.
He said we'll be up till 3 a.m., but
Well, we talked about how it's the espresso and the vodka, so
yeah,
balances out.
that's really good. and search for the tail animal.
Oh my
Does
goodness!
it sound like we have
Look
one?
how cute he is.
Oh, look, it has eyes and whiskers and all that.
He's
Look at that.
cute.
That's cool. Shoes are making funny noises.
He's so cute.
What is it? It's a bunny.
I'm guessing a bunny. Yeah.
I think it's a bunny. Look at that. Bunny.
He's adorable.
Eyes, whiskers, nose. Yeah. Bunny. And my shoes are annoying.
Well, we had a great day at sea today. We dock in Costa Maya tomorrow around noon, and we have an excursion planned. So we're looking forward to that. Other than that, I think we're going to call it a night, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.